Let's check out my SCAR 17S. It's made by FN Herstal of Belgium. It's chambered for 308 or 7.62 by 51 NATO. This gun is really light. It weighs 7.7 pounds, as you see it here, with no optics on it. And it's just a pleasure to shoot. There's very little recoil, especially when you consider that it's a 308. Let's take a look at the controls and some of the features on this gun. It has a left side charging handle, which is one of the favorite features on this gun for me. Possibly the only negative is that it is reciprocating. So when you shoot it, you have to make sure that your thumb is not in contact with it, or it will hurt your knuckles. It has an ambidextrous safety selector, ambidextrous magazine release, and it has a ping pong paddle, bolt release, bolt lock. It came with backup iron sights. The front sight, you have to push this button forward for it to go up like that. And then it also came with a really effective muzzle brake. I believe it's made by PWS, but it was just way too loud for me. Anyone standing within 20 feet of this gun when I fire it just gets overwhelmed with muzzle blast, so I took it off and put a thread protector in its place. It has Picatinny rails on top at 3, 6, and 9 o'clock. It has an adjustable stock on it, and you can also adjust the cheek weld on it in case you want to put optics. It's side folding, and it snaps into place in the closed position. Very nice. It folds into a really compact package. Some of the things I've done to it are a rubberized ergo grip, a Mo4 grip, and I also put a Timney single stage trigger in it. The original trigger was really heavy and gritty, and it just didn't feel right, and it made it a little bit more difficult to be accurate with it at distance. Let's check the trigger pull. No magazine. Chamber's empty. £3 pounds, 12 ounces. And this trigger is crisp, it's nice. There's no take up, no over travel, just a really nice clean break. It really makes the biggest difference on this gun. And there's the reset. Very quick. I have a BCC zone target from MGM Target set out at 60 yards. That's about as far back as we can go in this bay. It's a little bit too easy with this gun, so to make it a little bit more of a challenge, I'll add some speed to it.